As Dynamics GP licenses phase out by 2025, transitioning to Dynamics 365 Business Central is the logical next step, especially for manufacturers. Worried about losing the production scheduling functionality you've relied on? Let's talk about how the MX APS app from InsightWorks, designed for Dynamics 365 Business Central, can bridge that gap. Dynamics 365 Business Central offers an all-in-one cloud-based ERP solution. And for GP users needing to create and manage production schedules, MX APS delivers automation where competitors offer manual control. Think of it as a hit-a-button-and-go approach, bringing efficiency and precision to your manufacturing process. Unlike traditional manual schedulers, MX APS emphasizes automation, yet still provides the familiar drag-and-drop features. It's about advancing to a more efficient, tailored solution rather than just replicating GP functionality. Imagine streamlining your production scheduling to a single automated process, freeing up time and resources for innovation and growth. With MX APS, it's not just a match for GP, it's an enhancement. In short, transitioning from Dynamics GP to Dynamics 365 Business Central, complemented by MX APS, means embracing a future of automated innovation in manufacturing. It's a step forward, not a step back. For more on how MX APS can redefine your production scheduling, visit our website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.